Now at noon, the mask mandate returns. The school district of Philadelphia announces that all students and staff will need to wear a mask when class begins next week. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jim Donovan. Welcome to CBS 3 Eyewitness News at noon, now streaming live on CBSN Philly.
And I'm Janelle Burrell. Our Alecia Reid is in the news center this afternoon with more on masking in schools and what city officials have been seeing when it comes to vaccination rates. Alecia.
Janelle, the city's acting health commissioner says she's encouraged by the recent uptick in vaccinations. And by the end of this week, 80% of adults in the city will be vaccinated with at least one shot. But with the Delta variant still widespread, there is cause for concern. The first time in months, over 200 Philadelphians are hospitalized with COVID-19. Health officials say the vast majority of them have not been vaccinated. Bettingole says that beating COVID is not just a one-shot deal. Literally, there are layers of precautions that we all need to take. Masking, vaccines, and social distancing are all part of keeping each other safe, especially children, as city schools reopen next week. The layered protection approach can keep those under 12 not yet eligible for vaccination safe.
We know that no vaccine is perfect, and that includes the vaccines against COVID. Masking over the nose and mouth, not hanging under the nose or chin. Hand washing, distancing, keeping people who are sick at home, and contact tracing are all critical layers of protection we need to wrap around our children to keep them learning and in school.
Earlier this summer, the city hosted a sweepstakes to encourage more people to get vaccinated. Now, the researchers involved in that effort say it did not lead to meaningful increases in those who ended up getting a shot. We'll have more on their findings and what the city plans to do going forward coming up starting at 4 p.m. Reporting live from the News Center, Alecia Reid, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Alecia, we'll see you later this afternoon. Thank you for that. Meanwhile, the Archdiocese